Hey everyone, my name is Derrick Henry, and if you want to upgrade your Findbox in Excel to give you a lot more flexibility, then I've got something I think you're going to love. This is going to help you find results as you type and give you the option to jump to them or even highlight those results. So let's jump in and take a look. Now in this particular set of data that I've got here, okay, I'm going to run a shortcut here. Now I've set this to Control F because you can always jump to the actual Findbox, clicking that guy over there. I find this so helpful, it's my default now. So a couple things are going to happen as you type. Notice it's going to give you all the results that match. So copy something, notice there's all these different things I can do. So if I want to jump to this specific value, I can just press enter. That's the default way to use this. Now the other way is to highlight all the results. So we're going to click this button right here to toggle whether it jumps or highlights. And let's say we want to highlight everything that matches the word copy. Okay, and it does that using conditional formatting. And if you want to get rid of that, just run this again, whether it's shortcut or whether you use the search box or the UI at the top. Okay. Now, why is it helpful to search this way? Well, you may not know exactly what text you're searching for. So again, if you're using the word copy and you're like, I think it starts with copy, rather than have to go down through every single one of those, maybe it starts with F or R or something, this shows you those results as you type. And just like I've said in the past, this is the way that we now search with Google. It makes it so much easier to find things offering suggestions as you type. And of course, this gives you two options to jump to or to highlight them. That's pretty cool. And if you want to take that conditional formatting and tweak a little bit, different color or something, feel free to do so. So to summarize here, this just makes it much more powerful to find things in Excel using autocomplete and highlighting those results, right? If you want to try this out for yourself, hit that QR code up down below. If you like this, give a thumbs up. If you have some feedback or want to leave a comment, please feel free to do so. Share it with a friend you think might find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome rest of your day.